Hi, my name is Patrick Desjardins. In this episode, you will learn how to increase clarity when writing your number as well as how to manipulate numbers on different bases. All the examples will be using the declarator let, but using var or const would not change anything. The reason to rely on let in this video is to try out many different assignations with different bases without having many variables. Number are by default assigned on a base 10. The reason is that it's the most common way to initialize a number. However, in a few cases, you may need to assign a variable from binary format or a number defined in base 8 as known as octal or even hexadecimal with a base 16. Let's start by defining the number 17 in base 10. The base 10 can set using the equal operator equal and setting 17 directly. Another way is to use the parseIn function. The function takes a string and a base called a radix. Setting the radix to 10 with the value 17 between quotes return the number 17. The same function using a radix other than 10 gives other results. In practice, you never use the parseIn to set a decimal value if the value you have is already in a number format. Only when the value is coming from a string, which happens when deserializing data, which we will see in a future video. Consider subscribing to have a future recommendation on the topic. The function parseIn converts from base 8 if the string starts with 0, 0. For example, using x equals 0017 or using parseIn 17 quotes, comma 8 returns 15 as well because 1 multiplied by 8 plus 7 equals 15. In the same spirit, using the hexadecimal with parseIn 17 quotes, comma 16 does not return 17 but 23 because of 1 multiplied by 16 plus 7. The identical process occurs with a binary number. The parseIn takes as a second parameter the number 2 or without specifying the radix, but starting with 0 and b. For example, 0b111 or parseIn 111, 2 returns the number 7. In some cases, numbers can be hard to read while being big or when having a lot of decimals. In these cases, TypeScript and JavaScript as well, since a few times, let's give us some visual separated chunks of number. For example, you can write 1 million with a single 1 and 6 zeros. Or you can use the numeric separator and write 1 underscore 000 underscore 000. The numerical separator is available on all the bases. It is possible to write binary, hexadecimal, and octal numbers with an underscore. The underscore does not need to be at every 3 digits. For example, you can write 3.14 underscore 15 underscore 92 underscore 63 to write the value of pi. What is important to remember from this episode is that many bases of number exist and can be leveraged in a situation where a number is well known in particular case. And that is possible to make clearer the writing of long numbers with many digits using the underscore. So here we are again. We're at a fork where you need to make a decision. Would you like to learn about casting numbers or to learn about the type any? Regardless of your choice, it is a good one because it is your choice. See you soon.